So hello everybody, this is a tutorial video in order to show you how to change the battery in the Adamfresh remote control. So this is the remote control, and as you can see here, these are the instructions in order to change the battery. So first of all, the indication of the battery type is a CR2025 battery. And as you can see, you need first to push here and then pulling out the battery seat, and my colleague is going to show you. So push and then open, pull out. It's quite simple. You substitute the battery and then in it. Okay, bye bye.